Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Premiere Pro. This is going to be the first episode of my series. So I'm just going to show you the UI. So when you open Premiere Pro, you'll come up to this page here. And this is the home section where you can access the recent files you have opened. This area here is like the education panel. And then don't need to worry about that. If you want to open one of your projects that you made before, then you can just click on open project, but we're going to make one. But we haven't made one, so I'll teach you how to make one. So you just click on new project, you can name it here, and you can browse wherever you want it, and then you don't need to worry about these other two ones. I'm just gonna call my own test, and then you can hit OK. After that, we'll start making a new project. Oh well, mine's not responding. That's great. Okay, now it's working. Okay. So when you come up here, your screen might look like this, but like your might look different to mine because you guys are on different panel here. So there's the on the top over here is different kinds of workspaces, and they appeal to like a certain type of work they want to do. So like if you want to just do some editing without any effects or anything, this is like the optimal way to do it. So it's also good for changing colors. Over here you can there's a wheel over here and you can change the colors. Then effects, you can easily grab effects and put it in there. And graphics, they're good for writing text down and stuff. So the main three I use is the color one, the effects one, and the graphics one. These are the only three I'm going to be teaching you guys, because every other one I don't really find uses for. So yeah, over here you have the toolbar section. So in the color section, you have the timeline over here, where you can edit your clips that you put over here. Over here you can import stuff. This will come up with preview of your video. This is Brawl Stars one, super old one. So when you double click on it, it will come up with this thing where you can use this to mark in and out, and then whenever you do that, you can just drag in that certain part, and then only that much will be put in. If you select on this, then you'll get audio, and then this one's for video only. As you can see on over here, you can see that you can change the color and stuff in the color section. Now the effects one, this one's just got effects, everything else is the same here, but it will come when you click on the video in the timeline. It will come up with the effects controls where you can like move it around, scale it. I'll get into what you can do with effects later. And then everything else you don't really use over here, except for the source and the effects controls. Everything else you don't use. And in graphics, you can use the text tool to type stuff, and then it's easier to edit in this one. So I'd recommend using the graphics tab whenever you wanna put text in a video, because usually whenever you use effects on it, it stuffs up. So I'll just use that. And yeah, that's the basic outline of the UI. Thanks for watching.